good breakdown setups, obviously, because the market was up today and it was down for a couple of days. Now there are not many good breakdown setups. The setups were 4 or 5 days ago. But primarily, as I said, I use dollar breakdown for my short setups most of the time. I don't really look at the 4% breakdowns. So let's have a look at these 109 stocks which are showing up, and most of them are down 2 or 3 days in a row, so very few good setup you are likely to find. But anyway, let's go through each one of them and see if we can find something which is a good setup. See, something like this is a very strong structure which is breaking down, but like not enough conviction to say that it will have a follow through, because the stock was holding up well while the market was breaking down, and now it is breaking down. So if something had to break down, it should have broken down much earlier. But like IIPR, this also looks good. See here, this was down. This is the weaker structure. This is, like I've said many times, when looking at shorts, especially continuation short, look for a weaker structure. So here, this was down for around 10 days or 8 days, and then there's this weak rally of 3 days, and then today that rally failed. So that's one. Not really a weak structure now. This is a possibility. See here, big drop, then this counter trend bounce. It's not really very weak in the sense you don't want to even see a counter trend bounce of almost like in a 1 month or 10-15 days, but that's a possibility. Okay, nothing which I find very exciting today on the short side, because the better shorts were 4 or 5 days ago. This didn't close near the low, so that's the negative on that one. ST Laudier. It didn't close near the low, not really a weak structure. So those are the 2 or 3 ideas. None of them look like really convincing to me, but IIPR is the best out of the lot. Float is only 5.4 million. You don't want to really short very low float stocks because squeeze can be very severe on some of them. But these are the possibilities. So you can put these 3, and unless you're really convinced, or like I don't have any one of these, I don't have real high conviction on, so I let them go. But that's how you can find short setup also. You have to do this daily. That's when you find best setups. Obviously market was weak for a couple of days, and now today was bouncing, so you're not likely to find many.